Welcome to this tutorial on calculating the mean of discrete data with frequency. In statistics, we often encounter data that appears multiple times in a data set, and understanding how to calculate the mean in these situations is essential. Let's start by recalling the basic definition of the mean, or average. The mean is the sum of all values divided by the number of values. For example, if we have the values 2, 4, 5, 7, and 7, the mean would be the sum, which is 25 divided by 5, which gives us 5. Notice in our example that the value 7 appears twice. When we have data values that appear multiple times, we can use the concept of frequency. Frequency is simply the count of how many times a value appears in the dataset. When calculating the mean for data with frequencies, we use a modified formula. We multiply each value by its frequency, add these products together, and then divide by the total frequency, which is the total number of data points. Let's apply this formula to our example. For the value 2, we have frequency 1, so the product is 2 times 1, which is 2. For the value 4, we have frequency 1, so the product is 4 times 1, which is 4. For the value 5, we have frequency 1, so the product is 5 times 1, which is 5. For the value 7, we have frequency 2, so the product is 7 times 2, which is 14. The sum of these products is 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 14, which equals 25. The sum of the frequencies is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, which equals 5. So, the mean is 25 divided by 5, which equals 5. Let's look at another example with a larger data set. Suppose we have collected data on the number of pets per household in a neighborhood. The data looks like this. Some households have 0 pets, some have 1 pet, and so on. Let's visualize this data. The bar chart shows the distribution of households based on the number of pets. We can see that the most common number of pets is 1, with 12 households having exactly 1 pet. Now, let's calculate the mean number of pets per household. First, we multiply each value by its frequency. For 0 pets, we have 5 households, so the product is 0. For 1 pet, we have 12 households, so the product is 12. For 2 pets, we have 8 households, so the product is 16. For 3 pets, we have 3 households, so the product is 9. For 4 pets, we have 2 households, so the product is 8. The sum of these products is 0 plus 12 plus 16 plus 9 plus 8, which equals 45. The total number of households is 5 plus 12 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2, which equals 30. So, the mean number of pets per household is 45 divided by 30, which equals 1.5 pets. What does this mean? A mean of 1.5 pets per household tells us that, on average, each household in the neighborhood has 1.5 pets. Since households can't actually have a fractional number of pets, this decimal value represents the mathematical average across all households. To summarize, when calculating the mean of discrete data with frequency: 1. Multiply each value by its frequency 2. Add up all these products 3. Divide by the total frequency, or total number of data points. This approach is more efficient than listing each value individually, especially for larger data sets. Remember, our formula for the mean of discrete data with frequency is the mean equals the sum of each value times its frequency divided by the sum of all frequencies. Thanks for watching.